Just finished your Pitman Shorthand Instructor Guide, but still not confident with dictation? Don't worry, you're not alone. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to announce something many of you have been waiting for, a complete beginner-friendly course on Kailash Chandra Volume-I. Many students struggle when they move from theory to actual dictation. Speed feels overwhelming, exercises seem confusing, and there's often no proper guidance. That's exactly why I created this course, specially designed for students who have just completed the Pitman Shorthand Instructor Guide and want to take the next step with confidence. In this course, you will get dictation at a beginner-friendly speed. Every single exercise from Kailash Chandra. Volume 1 will be explained live. I will guide you step by step so you understand not just what to write, but how and why. Perfect for building accuracy, confidence, and speed gradually. This is not just practice, it's structured learning. You won't feel lost or confused. Instead, you'll improve with clear guidance and consistent dictation practice. If you've completed the instructor guide and want to move into real dictation practice, this course is absolutely perfect and free of cost for you. So if you're serious about improving your shorthand skills, join this course today. Details are in the description below. Let's build your speed and confidence together. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Speed Script Academy. See you in the course.